Exploring the world of foldable phones. Are they worth it? Foldable phones, they're the latest craze in the tech world, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation. But with their high price tags and unique designs, one question remains: are they really worth it? Today, we're diving deep into the world of foldable phones to find out. History and evolution. Foldable phones aren't entirely new. Remember the classic flip phones of the early 2000s? Well, today's foldables are the next evolution. Starting with the Samsung Galaxy Fold in 2019, we've seen the market grow, with more brands jumping on board and refining the technology. Design and build quality. One of the most striking aspects of foldable phones is their design. They come in two main styles: clamshell, like the Motorola Razr, and book style, like the Galaxy Z Fold. But how durable are these devices? With hinges and flexible displays, durability has been a big question. While manufacturers have made significant improvements, it's still something to consider, especially if you're rough on your devices. Display technology. Foldable phones boast some of the most advanced display technology on the market. You're looking at vibrant colors, high refresh rates, and expansive screens that make multitasking a breeze. But there's also the issue of the crease. Does it affect your viewing experience? For most users, it's barely noticeable during regular use, but it's something to be aware of. Performance and software. Under the hood, foldable phones pack some serious power. Most models are equipped with top-of-the-line processors, capable of handling everything from gaming to intensive multitasking. And with software like Android now fully supporting foldable screens, the experience is smoother than ever. You can run multiple apps side by side, making these devices true multitasking powerhouses. Before we continue, take a few seconds to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tech deep dives like this one. Camera capabilities. Let's talk cameras. Foldable phones come with impressive camera setups, often on par with flagship devices. Whether it's the 108MP sensors or the flexibility of taking selfies with the rear camera using the cover display, these phones are designed to capture your best moments. But how do they really stack up against traditional smartphones? The results might surprise you. Battery life and charging. Battery life is crucial, and foldable phones are no slouch here. Despite their power-hungry displays, many foldables offer all-day battery life. In fact, some models can easily get you through a day of heavy use. And while charging speeds vary, most foldables support fast charging, so you won't be tethered to the wall for long. Pricing and value. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Foldable phones are expensive, often starting well above $1,000. So, are they worth the investment? It really comes down to how much you value the unique features they offer. If you're someone who loves having the latest tech and multitasking on the go, a foldable might just be worth the splurge. User experience and real-world use. But what's it like using a foldable phone in the real world? From fitting it in your pocket to unfolding it for quick tasks, there's a bit of an adjustment period. However, many users find that the benefits, like having a tablet-sized screen in your pocket, outweigh any minor inconveniences. Future of foldable phones. The future of foldable phones looks promising. With advancements in materials and technology, we're likely to see even more durable, affordable, and innovative designs in the coming years. Could foldables become the new standard? Only time will tell. So, are foldable phones worth it? If you're someone who values cutting-edge design, multitasking capabilities, and having the latest tech, then absolutely. However, if you're more budget-conscious or prefer the tried-and-true design of traditional smartphones, you might want to wait a bit longer. What do you think? Are foldables the future, or just a passing trend? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.